You're watching Option Rally TV. I'm your host, Amy Anderson. Here's a quick preview for Friday, May 17th, 2013. Microsoft has not gone soft. U.S. streets painted with dollars. And lastly, oil flows against the current. Your daily review is starting now. Microsoft Corporation shares hit a new 5-year high Thursday as growth in the company's online software business helped the stock break out of its mostly decade-long rut. Microsoft finally took the leap in moving to other markets other than just Windows and Office, and they are finally seeing the fruits from their labor. Windows 8 sold 100 million copies, nothing to sneeze at, but the diversity is paying off as a 5-year high is exactly what the Gates legacy needs. Microsoft opened Thursday at 33.84 and nested in at 34.08 by the day's end. Okay, gold prices fell on Thursday despite the release of weak U.S. pricing, housing, and regional factory data, which convinced more and more investors that the Federal Reserve will keep stimulus tools in place for longer than expected. All signs should once again be pointing against the US dollar, but investors are keeping to their green side and ignoring everything else. Gold is now desperately trying to grab on to what was thought last month as the impossible barrier, the 1400 line. Gold opened Thursday at 1391.25 and sunk to 1384.25 by day's end. Oil prices rose in U.S. trading on Thursday after a fresh wave of disappointing economic indicators in the U.S. feigned sentiments that the Federal Reserve will keep monetary stimulus programs in play for longer than once anticipated. Oil opened Friday at 94.39 and nested in at 95.14 by the end of the day. For today's Market Watch, it's Canada's turn to present their CPI cost of living statistics. Canada hopes for better numbers than their neighbors to the south. If Canada can show a lower than expected cost of living, it may be enough to finally break the parity line with the U.S. Numbers are being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time today. Don't miss your opportunity to profit. I'm Amy Anderson. For your daily dose of the market, follow me at OptionRally.com. See you next week.